Hey guys, this is Dr. Mishayl, aesthetic physician and skincare expert. Welcome to the Skin Talk by Rivaj. Exfoliants are trending, but is AHA plus BHA really something that your skin needs or just another hype? You've seen glowing skin, glass skin, even no filter skin, and chances are acids were involved. Let's break down what AHA plus BHA does, who it's for, and how to use it properly without ruining your skin barrier. AHAs को कहते हैं अल्फा हाइड्रोक्सी एसिड। ये आपकी स्किन के सरफेस पे काम करते हैं, डेड स्किन सेल्स को रिमूव करते हैं और नई स्किन को आने में हेल्प करते हैं। BHAs को कहते हैं बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी एसिड्स। ये आपकी स्किन की एक डीपर सरफेस पे काम करते हैं, जहाँ पे आपके पोर्स को क्लीन आउट करते हैं, therefore managing oil production and clearing out acne. Think of AHAs as a broom sweeping your skin surface and BHAs as a pipe cleaner getting deep into your pores. So is it for you or not for you? तो अगर आपकी oily या acne prone skin है, you can absolutely use BHAs because it clears congestion. और अगर आपकी dull skin है, then you can absolutely use AHAs because it brightens your skin. Now, if you have sensitive skin, you can still use AHA plus BHA, but you must proceed with caution. You can either do a patch test for 24 hours before resuming usage, or you can space out usage, which means that you can start with using it once a week and then increase frequency as your skin starts to build tolerance. If you have dry or dehydrated skin, you can still use the AHA plus BHA, but make sure to add a hydrating ingredient like hyaluronic acid serum with it, or you can also lock it in with aloe vera gel by Rivaj. Let's talk about AHA plus BHA को correctly इस्तेमाल करने का तरीका क्या है. Here's a very simple nighttime routine that you can follow. Start with the double action orange cleanser. Follow that up with the exfoliating AHA plus BHA serum. If you have dull or dehydrated skin, you can wait 10 minutes and layer with the hyaluronic acid serum. Otherwise, you can continue using the aloe vera gel or the lavender gel or the rose skin gel. You can lock it all in with the rose skin gel or the aloe vera skin gel or the lavender gel by Rivaj. If you feel the hyaluronic acid serum is not working for you, then you can just lock it in with the aloe vera gel, the rose skin gel, or the lavender skin gel by Rivaj. Pro tip: do not forget to use an SPF 60 sunblock like the Vanishing and Whitening Sunblock by Rivaj religiously every single day. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Do not use the AHA plus BHA exfoliating serum with other harsh actives. This can damage your skincare barrier. Do not use it every single day because this can cause redness, irritation, dryness, and sensitivity. And make sure to introduce it very slowly into your routine. You can start by spacing it out. You can start with using it once a week, followed by twice a week, and slowly increase the frequency till your skin builds tolerance to it. So do you really need AHA plus BHA? If your skin has redness, breakouts, or uneven texture, absolutely. But use it with caution. Let your skin guide you. With the dermatologist formulated AHA plus BHA serum by Rivaj, exfoliation is no longer scary. It's simple. You can purchase the niacinamide and zinc serum by Rivaj on rivajuk.com or across all retailers in Pakistan. So that's it guys, that was the Skin Talk by Rivaj. Subscribe for more skincare tips and stay tuned for the next episode.